A question from Lee leads us off in part 2 of today's Local 6 Legal Line. Introducing Kevin Shannon. You all know him by now of Bryant Law Center. He's been around for a little while. Lee says, I had back surgery in 2005 and it made my back a lot worse. Can I file malpractice lawsuit now, or did I pass the time frame to file?
Well, Lee, I'll have to say you probably missed the time frame to file. Typically, medical malpractice cases are subject to a 1-year statute of limitations. That's 1 year from the date that you knew or reasonably should have known that you were made worse as a result of medical malpractice. And there are some exceptions. You can extend it, but boy, get back to 2005, we're talking 16 plus years ago. I'd say you probably missed the time frame.
I have a question from a viewer who says, I had a car wreck at the end of December and the insurance adjuster is already trying to get me to sign a statement. Could that hurt my case if I wanted to file one?
It depends on which insurance company is asking for the statement. You have a contractual obligation to provide reasonable cooperation with your own insurance company. So if it's your own insurance company that's looking for you to give a statement about the accident, you're probably going to need to cooperate with them. If it's the other side insurance company that wants to take your statement, you do not have to give them a statement. And I would probably say it's not in your best interest to give them a statement, at least without the assistance of counsel. If you had a lawyer, the lawyer can help prepare you for what they might be looking to do. And generally the insurance company for the other side, they're not really looking to help you, they're looking to help themselves and their own insured. So I'd be very careful about giving a statement to the other side.
Got a little bit more than a minute left in this final segment, and we have a question from an anonymous viewer who says, I was in the candle factory in Mayfield when the tornado hit. I was not hurt, and they want to know, can they still file a lawsuit, and I'm guessing possibly for emotional trauma there if they weren't hurt?
Yeah, Dave, and I'll answer that one this way. I don't typically handle workers' compensation claims. Austin Kennedy in our office does, so I would encourage this person to call and speak specifically with Austin Kennedy. I know typically you have to have an injury. How far Kentucky workers' compensation law goes in allowing a claim for strictly emotional injury, I don't know, but I think you probably have to have at least some type of physical injury, but the law might allow that physical injury to be fairly slight. So again, I don't know the answer to that question. I've told you all I can, and if you'd like to know more, please call Austin.
So give Austin Kennedy a call there at the Bryant Law Center.